Good morning. We are just outside of Baños. We are about to go ziplining. It is Jasper's birthday. Happy birthday, buddy.
Thank you.
We all just got showers and we are writing in our journals. Getting ready to head out. We're gonna do ziplining.
Get hamburgers.
Try to find a bank that's open and take Jasper to lunch for his birthday and then head out of town. We're gonna head through the Amazon, I think, to head south through Ecuador. We've been in Baños for 2 weeks now. 2 weeks tomorrow, so it's time to move on. All right.
So this is what me and Jazzy are about to go ziplining over. And Lila might do it, but she's still debating. But yeah, we're gonna start up there and take those all the way to the other side.
The kids are getting fitted to go ziplining.
Me and Lila are going together.
Lila and Berlin are going to go together.
Jasper's gonna go upside down.
Jasper's going to go upside down. I'm going to show you here on the demonstration. So Jazzy's going to do this one, upside down. And the girls are going to do this, where they actually go together. I guess Lila will be on the back, and Berlin will be laying down. Happy birthday, Jasper! Lila's really excited. We didn't think she was going to do it, but she saw it and now she wants to. Right here. Let me through, Lila. Show what they're about to go on. So they're going to be above us, above this building, and go all the way across.
Upside down.
There's the line all the way down to there, over the waterfall. Stand back, guys. All right, so we're up here now. It's very, very high.
See, look, they give us GoPros. See, they give us GoPros.
How are you feeling, Lila?
Not excited.
Not excited.
I'm ready. It's on the ground. Oh, it's right. We're first, Lila. Daddy, you go over there.
You're gonna go at the same time.
Oh, we're gonna go at the same time? Yeah. I'm scared. You guys are gonna go faster. Why? Because you have two.
Oh, God.
What?
I don't like her that close to the edge.
She's holding on.
Oh, God, that's not safe. Oh, my God.
They look unsure about something. I'm not sure about this.
One more.
Alright, so Berlin and Jasper are getting ready to go. And he is crazy and going upside down.
Ready to go?
Jazzy, look at me.
Oh, this hurts my back.
Does it hurt bad, Jasper? Yeah?
Yeah.
Where?
Jasper, wait, he's about to push you.
Listo,
You good?
dos. Niño, Charlie, cabe dos de cabeza. Niño.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh my God! Woo! Okay. Woo! That's a big drop. Woo! Woohoo! Woo! Wow.
All right, so the kids just went across. Now they're all the way at the other end, and they're gonna be coming back to us. So hopefully we'll get a good shot of their faces when they get here.
See the flag right there in the center of the screen? That's where they had to hike up to after taking the zip line down to those buildings. They hiked all the way up, and now we're waiting on them to zip line back across. Okay, they are coming across. I don't see them yet, but we've been told they're coming across.
I can see them.
Oh, I see them. Is that them on the cable car? Is that them on the cable car?
No,
Looks like
baby.
Jazzy's on the Superman this time.
Must have heard them last time.
I see them now. Oh my god, they look so weird.
I didn't even see them on
It's like,
the video.
you guys better watch out. Oh, they're gonna get stuck.
They're going slow.
They slowed down, man.
Oh.
Now you're stuck.
How do they get it back?
Oh, this is great.
Oh, Mom, look, Mom!
Oh my gosh.
Watch him!
They're going to be rescued.
She like take my hand.
What, they're over?
Oh, people come back.
Oh, Jesse's going back. Oh no, oh no.
Oh, bye, Jasper! Look. What's she holding on to from him?
I don't know.
His shirt, I think. You good, Berlin?
Okay, now Jazzy. Save my kid who's all the way out there in the middle of the... He's almost back to the other side.
Hey, watch it.
It's too close, though. Oh, jeez.
Now she take the side. Oh my god, look, he's such Wait, coming back, you can't even open your eyes.
Why?
It's so windy.
Oh, the wind.
You need to get the camera quick because I showed everything.
How was it, buddy? It was good?
That was so much fun.
That dude's exhausted.
Look, he made it all the way.
So, we are walking down the path to the Pailon Del Diablo. This huge waterfall here in Ecuador. These concrete steps built into the side of the mountain cliff. It's supposed to be pretty awesome.
Oh, would you stop? It's fun.
I think I need a poncho for this thing.
Sit down, babe.
God.
Get a shot of
Oh,
this, Johnny.
I'm glad I got a poncho.
All right,
Here it is.
we made it to the waterfall.
Well, let's go back.
All right, that was pretty cool. There it is, guys. Little lookout along the way. I'm not quite sure how far the hike is down there, but
What is that, Dad?
we're going all the way down there.
Are we gonna walk across that bridge?
Yep.
Yes. Lyle's gonna be freaking out.
That is a big swing that goes out over the edge of the cliff.
I wanna do that. We're doing that. I found the waterfall.
It used to go all the way across. It caved in.
Where?
Oh, yeah, I don't like this.
That's a really cool
I
waterfall.
don't want to be under these things. What's up, guys?
The worst that could happen is it caves in while we're under it.
Look up. These are hanging on by...
Rebar.
So, did we just come from all the way up there?
We started all the way at the top. We've already come down this far. We've still got a long way to go.
That's crazy. That thing is, you gotta go back up. And we're going downhill, so gonna be going uphill the whole time. So we were just walking and rocks are falling from the top.
Throwing them or are they just falling?
No, they're falling off the side of the mountain.
That was Jaspers.
No.
Is it Jazzy? It is Jazzy!
Hit you in your head, boy.
That's actually
Yeah?
Oh, that was
Like
funny.
your dad said, everything that's on the ground is on the ground because it's falling.
So we're climbing the stairs. Oh my god! Look, it's right there! Wow. Can you go up here so we can get a better view? Oh my god. Zoom in some. Oh my god, look at the water is extremely blue. Look at the snow! I don't think we're getting in that. We're gonna start getting wet. Can't really see it right now, but the waterfall is right around that corner. Okay, here we go for the second time. Let's go, Dad.
Come on, let's go.
I don't know if you can fit, Dad. This is really scary. Oh my god, I need flash. Okay, I turned my flash on so that you guys can see. Ow, I just hit my back. This is really hard. You're like an air balloon. I hit my back. Wow. This is cool. Berlin. Yeah. When you came out, you looked like the person from the Blueberry Farm.
Where's your mom?
She's right there. This is insane. We are literally inside of a cave right now. The waterfall is right there. You guys can't see it. It's so loud. Yeah, it's extremely loud. And we can, oh, it's slimy. Don't touch it. Touch it. Wait, do it, do it. No, touch right here. No. It's all slimy. So now we're going to go up higher to the top of the waterfall. No more caves except for this little one here. Okay. I think we can stand in this one. Yeah, you can. There we go. Wait, you gotta bend down here. This is extremely creepy. Sorry if you guys can't hear us. We're about to climb these. I just hit my head. That hurt. I need to crawl up these stairs. So cool. Okay, the kid said this is really cool. So, oh my god. Look how blue it is. Yeah. We're gonna go up and walk on that bridge. That's the cave we just came from. Down there, Mom's crawling up. This is crazy. And we're gonna go this way. And apparently we have to climb, like literally, okay. We're going higher up. And this time we actually have to climb. There's the waterfall. I don't know if we can fit in there. Oh my god. god. I do not like this. Okay. Hey, we're about to get soaked. The waterfall is right there. We can literally touch it. It's freezing. Here we go. I'm not going to record this part because I don't want my phone to get soaked. So, I'll see you guys in a minute. There's that. Woo! Oh my god. Let me put your hand out. Woo! Waterfall right there.
Oh my god, that's cold.
I wonder just how wet I am right now. Like my entire.
Jazzy decided not to wear ponchos, so they're soaking wet. So we just got done and we're climbing back down right now. And then we're gonna head back to the camper and also go get empanadas. Back into the caves. Not excited for this. Look, there's crystals. Where? It's what's it called? Marble. Look. Where is it? Hold on, wait till I get down there. Where? This is really, it's marble. It scares me. Look, it's marble. Yeah, no, watch out so I can see. Yeah, that's S. Jazzy said this is marble. It looks like it. It looks like some kind of crystal. It looks like marble to me. Okay, let's see. There you go. There's a bat. Let me see your phone. There's a bat? Let me see it. Oh god. Careful. Don't get bit. Oh god. There's a bat. I don't want to get rabies. Jazzy got it. Okay, I don't think there are any more. Better not be anymore. Oh my god, there's one right here. Yeah. Hurry up, I want to get out of here. Move. Okay, live. 3, 2, come on. I don't think there are any bats in this one. Come on, let's go. Give me my phone. It's on. Stop. We're almost out. We're literally going straight down right now to the bottom of the waterfall. Now we're going to do the suspension bridge, but my phone is at 3%, so we might not be able to get a ton of clips. Oh, this is not... Whoa, look at the blue water going into the brown water. That's cool. I'm going to walk across this. There's the waterfall. We're going to do it all the way there.
Alright, that's it for this week's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share the hell out of it. Bye.